zithe zabe kade izitshotshentla kwingingqi zabo ngosuku lanamhlanje khona umgodi semix deep house yakudala kwimix yethu namhlanje siyivale ngokhangela uba how was your day ubusenza ntoni ayabonga kunjani.
Siyaphila khona kunjani sir?
Masiphile mntakwethu mandikunika ithuba nawe uzibulisele kumphulaphula wevukani FM.
Thank you so much. Ndibulisa wena host yethu Mr. Abza.
Yes sir.
Ndibulisa wokumlaleli nomntu olandela ivukani community radio kwindawo ngendawo ndiyabulisa.
Alright, nkosi kakhulu. Ngubani ayabonga kumuntu ongamaziyo?
Okay, first of all, Ayabonga is a young upcoming director, but Ayabonga is also an influencer part-time. So Ayabonga nje is a nice guy, is a quiet guy, uthanda abantu. I'm very outgoing, but yeah, it's part of my journey, it's part of my work. So yeah, I'm just hardworking, man. I just love to work, I just love to study. Yabo. And yeah, and curious, bro. Like I'm very curious. I'm
cool.
always learning about what's happening, the algorithms, na yonke lawo. So, but specifically, I'm in the field of social media. So yeah, that's
Okay.
about it.
Uyiqale njani i-Epiphany Production Studios?
It all sparked with an idea, yabo. I've always wanted to be a celebrity. So yeah, it all started ndingatsho esikolweni. Yabo. So yayazi you finish matric and then you're obligated but yabo uye varsity. So I had to apply and then I applied. That's at the CPUT. So Pana I chose 3 choices, which was photography, film production, and teaching. Gelaki, I don't know how it happened, but ndikhumbula kwakudlala imatch ye-rugby. I think it was a World Cup. And then after that night, it was approved. Yabo. I had to study film production. And then the course, it's taking 4 years more. So ndikunyaka wamesibini, I'm learning online. And yeah, it all started at school yabo, where I became very brilliant in my studies.
Yeah.
And then eventually I had to start my own company because already towards my profile, I was already doing good. So I just needed something bigger, yabo.
Yeah.
So this production studios was the best thing that I could think about. And then I started it. I did it alone. Didn't know about sleepless nights, yabo. Yeah, my family was there, but yeah, I had myself. And yeah, it all started there.
Abenzabuza ukhulele kwizitalato zasecala and you had friends ecala ifamily bekusupporta uziqaphele njani ba hey man hey xa ndikhula ingathi leni into ndizoyilandela zithini signs zokuqala ezibonisa into ba uzawuphetha uthanda yonke lo msebenzi?
Yeah. Okay. To be honest, I'm not in the remember, yabo, but ndinalo fifi.
Yeah.
It all started when growing up, I was too exposed to devices, computers, you know, smartphones. So to me, it kind of like registered on my early ages of, you know, puberty.
Yeah.
That's when I was exposed to many experiences. I met friends, I met people that, you know, found the intelligence school. And I was like, okay, cool. And then eventually goye iintsuku zihamba neminyaka ihamba, it grew yabo over me and it became a way of living. So to me, I could say it just became, I guess, or it just grew and became something beautiful that I was interested in. So I decided to just invest my time, invest everything that I have to just put it in place and put it in practice.
Yeah.
So along the side, yeah, as Babenchilo, I had friends that I looked up to. I had family members, I had brothers. So even ekhaya, yabo, ibithanda man entertainment kakhulu, yabo. There was even a studio, which is my room ngoku.
Yeah.
But ngoku seza movies and equipment. So my brother DJ Soso wasecala if abantu bayamkhumbula.
Yeah.
he was more engaged with Zando. And yeah, my brothers are basically my inspiration. So ndanenye itriki ke ndandiyithanda. Xa kufika i-artist upcoming, I would go ndiye phaa emnyango ndiyomamela and just get a sense of what's happening. And then to me, ndaqala ngocula ke, ndayi-vocalist gqithi. It was a roller coaster, man. But ngoye ndikhula, I found my craft, ndazidevelopha nam, and I had to choose a different path.
Yeah.
So ewe ndiyavokala, I'm also a vocalist, I'm a rapper, but yonke laa nto, it's all in my family, like it's in the blood.
Yeah.
So yeah, and I chose to just grow with that and modify it.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Exesheni mhlawumbi ke nzawutshekisha uba abantu kabanceda njani abadinga uncedo lwakho but ndiyafuna uqale ke undibalisele ngee-projects even noba zii-unreleased onazo sincokolele njengazo nje after i-advert.
Ingaba ngusomashishini osakhasayo nenjongo zokuphuhlisa ishishini lakho uphinde uzinotshintsho empilweni naseluntwini ngokunjalo? Ukuba kunjalo, iVukani Community Radio ikuphathela iVukani Small Business Package Deals enabaxabiso ancomisayo. SiVukani Community Radio siyayiqonda ngokupheleleyo ingxaki somashishini abasakhasayo kunye nabo bakhulayo abajongana nazo, umzekelo ukunqongophala kwexesha, ukuswela ubukho kwezamakhasi onxibelelwano kunye nezinye kolu rhwebo lunokhuphiswano ngamandla. Yiloo nto ke sakhe iqhinga lokunceda oosomashishini baxhumane nabathengi ngondlela lula nenamaxabiso aphantsi. Yiba nomfanekiso ngqondweni. Ishishini lakho lisaziwa, kuthethwa ngalo ngamawakawaka abantu. Ayililongo iphupha eli liyenzeka ngokwenyani. Iqela lethu labasebenzi abaqeqeshekileyo baya kusebenzisana nawe ukwenza intengiso ekhethekileyo kwaye eyenza umtsalane kubaphulaphuli beVukani FM. Eyona nto encumisayo ngezi small business package deals, uyakwazi ukuzikhethela ekufanelayo kwaye elingana nesipaji sakho. Ukuzifumanele ezi Vukani small business package deals, tsalela umnxeba kule nombolo 047 877 0095 okanye 047 877 0096 okanye uthumele i-email ku-sales@vukanifm.org.
Alright, kwasikakhulu ke mphulapha sekhaya sesiwelele ngaphaya komkhono emva kwentsimbi yesihlanu sincokola ke no Ayabonga Khasana ngosuku lanamhlanje sincokolele kuba uqale njani yonke lento. Abantu abaninzi ke banomdla kakhulu xa bekuva uthetha Ayabonga because nabo ezinto xa ziqala ziba zii-signs baye ngelinye ixesha bangapay attention and xa sele bebadala qonda uba ewuba ndandiyilandele man le nto. Yeah. You tried ke ngokungena nasemculweni as a vocalist and khasibalisele unazo project ongazigqibanga okanye unreleased song.
Yeah, there are certain projects that are ongoing, sorry.
Yeah.
But yeah, we've been working with Ukongota Visuals and basically now production studio, but he collaborated. So we have celebrity artists that are willing to work with us, but they need to, see the work.
Yeah.
So hence we've came to this broadcasting channel just to get the word out and just to, symbolize about, okay, we in this and we're actually doing this. So yeah, man, I could say, yeah, for now, I think must be anonymous because does
okay. Masibuyele ke ngoku kulo mcimbi nomsebenzi wakho as unayo i-production studios pha. Abantu abadinga uncedo lwakho mhlambi ke zindona nobanceda ngazo xa unocacisa ncakasana so that bayazi uba hayi man Ayabonga ngale into betshilo athi uyakwazi ukuncedisa ngayo. Zindoni ononceda ngazo abantu especially abanetalent?
Okay. For now, asikabi nayo i-proper equipment, asikabi nazo tools as a solid. Although we do quality work, that's what I can promise. So umntu oza kum uza nje for advices. Yabo, I'm a teacher, but I'm also a learner too. So if you're willing to know how social media algorithms zisebenza ngakhona, when to post, how to post, cross-posting, the use of hashtags, you see, you can come to me. Yeah, bro. Any creative, any upcoming influencer, I'm more than willing to teach them and educate them. So my job is to just inform and just innovate, you see. So but most of the work is based on my hands. Yeah, bo. I do all the work. I manage the accounts, and yeah, that's all I can say. Secondly, I also deal with smartphones most.
Yeah.
So whenever you have a problem with your smartphone, yeah, bo, into nje is weak, yeah, bo. But I can promise you that I'm very versatile. I'm very creative. I'm very gifted. So anything involving a digital world, basically,
Yeah.
I'm always there. Yeah, bo. If I need to research about that, I will. So I'm more than willing to, I don't know. I don't know because I've said this a lot of times. It's becoming forgetful, but I'm always a person that aims to uplift ikasi. Yabo. There are many children out there that are struggling nangoku. Yabo. Abanye bayandincena. They say, the because of my persona, and I'm like, yo,
Yeah.
I'm the nicest guy you'll meet. Yabo.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
you just have to get close to me.
Mm.
Hence, usitsho ke ngokuba umntu who's willing to be helped anganceda ngantoni kum.
Yeah.
Just come to me, talk to me, friendly, yabo, ungabi intimidated because sometimes it can get very dark.
Yeah.
Okay. All I can promise is that I am a free guy, yabo. I'm very matured.
Okay.
But I can be weird too. I can be very weird. So I'm just a real person, yabo. I'm just real, yabo. Everything that involves raw content, raw talent. Yeah, I'm the guy. Yabo. I
Okay.
push.
Usafunda mas?
Yeah,
Yeah.
online.
How do you make time? How do you manage time? Ubalansisa njani between ispan sakho, italente nesikolo?
Yeah, well, wonke umuntu mos unayi-secrets. I'm
Yeah.
not ndiyithethe exactly. But yeah.
Yeah.
I found a way to structure my day first. So ndiqale ndidote down. Ndiyathanda ubhala ke. Because yiloo nto ndiyirepha, yabo. I love writing. So I first dot down and then yonke laa nto ndinestructurisha per day, yabo. Every activity that I have. Study lessons, study guides that I have to go through. And then I find a merge, yabo, just to merge my lifestyle and my private life.
Yeah.
So basically, private life against my school life, yabo, my academics. But I just structure it every day, and then some people are more clever about they're able to structure their activities weekly and monthly,
Yeah.
and they keep track of that. So as for me, I'm still very busy. I have to do it every day. But in terms of my academics, most of the work ends ebusuku, yabo. Most of the assignments is in ebusuku from 10. That's the study time. You drop out your phone. Sometimes phone addictive, especially social media.
Yeah.
You hear pop nje,
Yes, not wrong.
That peep, yabo, iyaktriggerisha, and I start getting back into my grind. Yabo, I push. They multitask again, no multitask. So yeah, I dabble and dabble, man. Now I don't know how I do it, but it somehow works every day.
Okay.
So yeah.
All right. Motivate umuntu omtsha naye ke mhlawumbe abanye baka-understand kwa italent abanazo. Omnye uyazazi ba uyi-rapper okanye uyaproducer but uyoyika uvela. Ungathini ummotivate?
To motivate, motivational speaker ke esikolweni. I do these speeches. Yeah, bayandazi, especially at Cala Village.
Yeah.
So all I can say ngoku, and this bamde, just believe in yourself, trust in yourself, and just go far. Go far. The horizons are endless. You can do everything. If an idea, same time, record yourself, yabo. Because your data dance outdated ngoku. So a more innovative way, yabo, of of memorizing that
Yeah.
that idea that you have. You just have to record yourself and be as real as you can. Just be real. Uyithethe le nto uyifunayo okanye le nto uyicingileyo. Eventually, if you play it every day, it registers kuwe. Yabo. That's when ke ngoku automatically you start living kola hlobo. Uzayibona nango ekami intsuku, you'll start being actually le nto ubuyifuna.
Yeah.
Hence besithi ke umlomo uyadala.
Mm.
So just speak your prosperity. Yabo. Pray ngale balithandaza. Ndiyacawa ke mna kakhulu.
Yona.
Yeah, abanye abantu bade bathi ndinyabile because most of the time ndispendela kwendawo that gonna help me in the long run.
Yeah.
Yabo. So yeah, that's all I can say because sithaba, sifundile. Education first is very important. Pass grade 12, go to varsity, ujoyine NSFAS bakho, yabo, come up with an idea, uhlangane nabantu aba-right, ensure that you're in a good space and respect your parents and yeah. Ufane nathi because I'm already talking with these celebrities. Abanye abantu abayazi loo nto.
Yeah.
I've promoted abo Usimamane, Nesty C, Flashy Kumkani. And I talked with those niggas, yabo. They're like my big brothers.
Yeah.
Because they're always there to support me, moral support, about advices. Because even Ekaya, I'm the oldest. So I don't have a brother that is very close, like Ola Penjing, yabo. I have to face the storm ndodwa, yabo. So it's very hard. But yeah, those are the guys that I look up to. Disemncini, they've been my role models. And God made it bandi in this nabo. So hence benchilo kangoku. They just looking for my work. Yabo. I just have to put it in practice, make events, motivate, teach other people how to do and how the game runs. So yeah, it's very difficult, yabo. It's very difficult to teach abantu londo because we have a large audience at Gala. We have a lot of people. But with me, I think if I could be given platforms or interventions, I could be more capable of doing that. Now I'm able, but it's very funny. I'm able to engage, especially on social media, back to the business thing.
Yeah.
I'm able to engage a bandu more like 1,000 of people in just one picture, you see, or one video. Because in every work I do, like there's Nikela with all I have, with my mind, with my heart, with my body. Sometimes the chaff no chaff, I just sit doing and be like, yo, but I still have to stand up, elbow, and face the storm. So
Okay.
yeah, that's about it.
Okay, man, balake ndiye kwi advert and then xa ndibuya ayabonga please ke khawushare ke i-social media platforms zakho abantu bangakufumana njani especially aba badinga uncedo lwakho nabafuna ulandela umsebenzi wakho. Masiqale ngapha.
But only for 14 days. We said, everybody get KFC's Streetwise Feast for only $99.90 and you can enjoy 5 pieces of original recipe chicken, large chips, 2 mini loaf and 2 free no sugar drinks. Offer only available in the Eastern Cape from 17th of June to the 30th. So hurry and feed your original KFC. Finger looking good. Delivery fees are not included while stocks last. T's and C's apply. Visit kfc.co.za.
Alright. Nkosikakhulu ke siyabulela phaa kwintengiso licala vakwentsimbi sihlanu siyayivala ngoku no Ayabonga Khasana. Mntakwethu bakufumana njani kwi-social media platforms?
Yeah, on Facebook, Ayabonga Khasana, Ghost. Yabo ligama ke lestrate landilithanda kakhulu. It's in the profile.
Okay.
On my Instagram, Ayabonga Khasana 1. On my other Instagram, the company Instagram, in fact, it's a page. Dingo Epiphany Prod _worldwide. On my Facebook page, about the company page, Epiphany Production Studios. So yeah, on TikTok, I am Ayabonga Pizza Malapane. And the names in my next platforms, I can't. But the only thing that I ask is just support. The rest, I can do it. So be sure to follow me. Be sure to share my content, and yeah, that's about
Unai number onikisa ngayo?
yeah.
Abanye abantu basabelieve kunde calls. Yeah.
Yeah, it's more professional.
Yeah.
And that's the business we are about. We're
okay.
more of see promote professionalism. So yeah.
Okay.
Otherwise go 078 311 6197 on WhatsApp. So that's where abantu could engage with me, get to know each other, and just be free, man.
Right, ayabonga siyavuya mani ngola nawo namhlanje ufundisa abantu abaninzi into eninzi especially kubantu abatsha abanye bakhuthazeka after siye sancokola nawe. Nkosi kakhulu nathi ke siyiVukani FM sikunqonelela ke impumelelo kwimizamo yakho.
Yeah.
Dankoba.
Siyabulela kakhulu.
All right, phulaphula ichungcembe siyaphaka kwingoma zabala phulaphuli ke uCaster Sempuli godlo.
Select your music on Vukani